Olympic gas kiln. I'm going to show you how we're going to start it. Turning on the gas. I know on this kiln it heats up really fast, so I'm not going to turn it all the way open. I'm only going to open it about halfway, and then we'll turn it back. And then this is my gas kiln. It's all loaded. I've got this up because it's kind of windy, so when I'm trying to light it, the wind blows my lighter out. So I'm going to, this releases the gas into the kiln. When it is this way, up and down, it stops the gas from going. When it is all the way open, it allows the gas to go all the way through. This is the primer button. This is like what we use to get it to go into the kiln. It's lit, so I'm going to hold the red button down while I'm turning on the gas. Release the red button, and you can hear it light up. It's all the way on, which this kiln will heat up to about 1800 degrees in about 20 minutes, so I've got to pump the gas way back. And I'm listening for it to get less of a sound. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is, I've already got it closed. My peepholes are open for right now to allow it to vent and get some oxygen in there. And in about a half an hour I'll close the peepholes. And then over here is the tube for the pyrometer. I have a old-fashioned, not digital pyrometer. So when I put my pyrometer, it's going to tell me what my kiln is at. So we can see I already preheated it earlier, so it's at about 200 degrees. Okay, we're going to go crank it all the way up to about 1850, and then we'll stop it from there.